Hey, I'm going to show you guys how to do day 6 of your optional work packet. So your first activity is going to be in math. That's going to be a warm-up of, remember, this is in your packet. We haven't had it on the slides until now, but on YouTube, you can search up counting by tens, and you will sing along with the video. Your second activity on this is to play the 10 frames game on page 5 of your packet at least 2 times. So you'll cut apart the 10 frames and you will mix them up and you'll put them in a stack upside down where you can't see them. You'll flip them over one at a time and then say how many dots you need to complete the 10 frames. So for example, on this 10 frame, there are 8 in that 10 frame. You need 2 more dots. So what you would say is, I need 2 more dots to complete that 10 frame. You'll repeat this until you've turned over all the cards and you'll play it again. You play it 2 times. All right, for activity 2, you place 2 small groups of objects on the table. These objects can be cars, they can be Legos, they can be like little dolls or little like miniature animals or even little beans, whatever it is. You'll place 2 small groups of objects on the table. Each group must have less than 10 objects. You'll write an addition and subtraction story problem about each of the groups of objects. Have a family member solve each problem. So for our example, Pringle has 8 toys in the living room and 5 toys in the kitchen. How many toys does she have in all? You can use an open number line, a regular number line, or a double 10 frame to solve this. You'll create, let's make a goal of at least 5 addition and subtraction word problems, and you will put them inside of your compositional notebook. It's not switching, sorry. There we go. Oh, we skipped one. Activity 3, you will choose 4 pages from your workbook to do that you have not completed yet, and then your additional activity is technology for 15 minutes, either Dreambox or Ingenuity. Reading, you will choose to read for 20 minutes. You can choose a fiction or a nonfiction book. For fiction, you'll create a flow map of beginning, middle, and end, and for nonfiction, you will do a circle map. Remember, a circle map does not have to be complete sentences. Sadie. Okay, sorry guys. Word work, so this is Rainbow Write. On your work packet, the Rainbow Write is explained a little bit differently than we do in class. In class, you guys could use my smelling markers, regular markers, pencils, crayons, whatever you wanted, and you can make each letter a different color. This Rainbow Write is a little bit different. It says write each word first with a pencil, then trace over each word 3 times with a colored pencil or marker. Use a different color each time to create a rainbow. You can choose each of these strategies. Remember, cycle 13 was 2-syllable words. You'll clap them out. So attic, at-tick. Or dish rag, dish, rag, and then you can tap out each part of your syllable. There we go, science. Your topic is the carrot seed. So you're gonna listen to the read aloud on this link. You will type in bit.ly/the carrot seed, and then you'll retell the story using transition words like first, then, next, last. Try using the words like seed, soil, sprinkle, and weeds. Okay, so for example, this was not from the story, but this is a different example of how I would use those transitional words. Like first, I got into my car, then I drove to this grocery store. Next, I picked out and bought all of my grocery items. Last, I drove home and put it away. So these transitional words are being able to retell the story in order of what happened first, then next, last. Very similar to what you guys did in kindergarten. Okay, and great job. You're all done. That is our activity. So you can choose from any of these as your specials for the day. Love you guys. I will see you guys next time. Bye.